No questions asked. You need to start finding your way into YouTube Shorts right now. In fact, YouTube Shorts surpassed the number of active TikTok users in 2022. That alone might make you want to run to your smartphone and create your very first short if you haven't already. Recently, YouTube has also announced major updates and new features for Shorts. Currently, there is no monetization for Shorts, and that's one thing that keeps some creators from using it. But it's also one thing that motivates others to start their Shorts career. In the near future, more advertisers will get into Shorts, so more creators and influencers from other platforms will find their way to YouTube. And YouTubers who've already made a name for themselves in the world of Shorts won't have a hard time getting into YouTube's partner program designed for Shorts. The platform explains, starting in early 2023, Shorts-focused creators will be able to apply for the YouTube Partner Program if they reach a threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 10 million Shorts views in 90 days. That may sound like a lot of milestones, but it's also one of the reasons why many influencers and creators encourage you to focus on Shorts as well. Building your channel is also good because it helps you grow faster and gain more visibility. This way, you have more chances of your channel being discovered. Getting 10 million views in 90 days isn't as hard as you think, because short videos are fast-moving. They're only between 3 and 30 seconds long, so many people watch more short films in a day than long films. If you use Shorts now, you have the advantage of getting your content discovered faster. Right now, there are already hundreds of thousands of creators on Shorts. But sooner or later, those hundreds of thousands will be the lowest number of creators on the platform. So don't take too long thinking about it. The later you get in, the more competition you'll have for your content. If you start early now, you can perfect your content creation strategy for your target audiences. You'll have more time to try out what kind of content, topics, or videos are a good fit for your channel. Then, when the time comes for Shorts to be monetized, you'll already have the perfect recipe for your videos to go viral. As mentioned earlier, Shorts can also help you get discovered better. Don't underestimate the power of Shorts when it comes to giving your channel and long-form videos the exposure they deserve. If people like your Shorts, there's a good chance they'll keep visiting your channel for more, and in the process, they'll come across your long-form videos. Who knows, maybe they'll like them too and binge-watch your content that way. So you'd earn more audience session time with your videos and maybe gain new subscribers too. The bridge between short-form and long-form content has been hotly debated by some YouTubers in recent months following the launch of YouTube Shorts. Previously, there seemed to be no direct link between Shorts and regular long-form videos on the same channel, which was an annoyance for creators. But YouTube has recently announced that there will be major changes to how the two are linked in the future. It said that the algorithm is now better able to suggest long videos from the channels from which users regularly watch Shorts. So, that should be another reason for you to get into the world of Shorts right now. If you're focused on growing your channel because of your regular long videos, then you shouldn't ignore the benefits of Shorts that will help engage you in the future. If all of this has convinced you enough to start making and posting Shorts as well, then you may now be wondering what's the best thing to post to get started with your Shorts videos. If you want to try it out first without coming up with a new topic yet, you can create a post from the most popular videos on your channel. If your videos have been viewed more than 50,000 times, a section with the most replayed videos will appear when you hover your mouse over the time span of the video. Take the parts of your videos that viewers watch and replay the most and turn them into a short film by cropping them into a vertical orientation with a video editor and adding more video elements. You can also do this through video analytics. Go to the analytics section of your most popular videos and look at the audience retention graph. The parts where it spikes up are the places you want to convert to a short. This means that these are the moments that your audience liked the most. This can also be a good indicator that more people would be interested in your Shorts if you were to publish them. Another way to find content for your Shorts is to read the comments section of your videos. Find topics, video segments, moments, and questions that are most frequently asked by your viewers and turn them into a short. These are just a few of the many reasons why you should start posting shorts now, because its many benefits will earn you a lot in the future. One of the benefits you get from posting shorts is the additional discovery of your channel and other videos. If you want even more information, tips, tricks, hacks, or a detailed guide from start to finish on how to build your YouTube channel for monetization, join our community at TubeExpress, a complete YouTube course that will teach you everything you need to know to run your own successful YouTube channel. You can access it via the link in the description below. Aside from the 3 tips I've given you for finding content for your shorts, you'll also need to understand the detailed process of creating and managing your shorts from start to finish, which you'll learn in this video right here. And in this video, I'll show a complete beginner's guide on how to create YouTube shorts. In it, I explain all the features of the Shorts camera tool up to uploading and the best techniques to make them discoverable. So, I'll see you over there.